And I repeat, keep pouring fuel on your fire. Keep pouring fuel on it. If you close the lid every once in a while, let it grow. Let it grow. If it's too low, add some more fuel to it. It's your fire, not theirs, not mine, not hers, not his. Your fire. Put fuel in that fire. What fuel? You gotta find out the fuel that works for you. And when you find it, keep pouring it on there. Because I guarantee you'll be able to duplicate that again. That same fuel source. I guarantee you will. Especially once you tap into it. It's your fire. I can't put it out. But you can put it out. How you put it out? By not trying. By not wanting to do it. By quitting. By not changing it up. It's your fire for a reason. I don't know about you. I've been cooking for a long time. And you should too. Because this ain't no one-off. Like I said before, once you reach that goal, there's more behind it. There better be. Because if not, why are you watching this? I just hit one of my goals again in a short period of time. I ain't complaining. Did I get it how I want to get it? No, but guess what? I still got it. So I know what now, what to do. Keep going towards that goal and beyond. I was being kind of selfish today. I'm feeling good. So when you're feeling good, sometimes you do a strike or they go early. See if you can touch the backboard. See if you can touch the net. See if you can touch the rim. You'd be surprised if you still got it inside of you. Keep on pouring fire on your fuel. Pour it on there. They want to see your flame go out. Is that you? No, really. Is that you? You want to see that flame go out? I know I don't. I'm going to keep pouring fuel in my fire every time I get to, every chance I get. TAPIN or tap out. Grinding for it. Can you say the same? If not, get about our lane, okay? I want to thank you, kings and queens, for coming out. I want to thank you, new viewers and subscribers, for coming out. Like, comment, subscribe, even let me know what you dislike. Because I'm trying to build this so we can all grow off this with that ladder drop. I hope that you, kings and queens, have a good rest of the day, wherever you're at. I hope that you have a good rest of the night, wherever you're at. I hope that you have a good rest of the week, wherever you're at. I hope that you have a good rest of the month, wherever you're at. I hope that you have a good rest of the year, wherever you're at. Focus, reset, attack. Let's do this again. Roll it.
I mean, no, really, hold up. Hold up, who they playing with? We ain't stopping, we ain't letting up. I mean, hold up, who they playing with? It's she get it in your face, tell her we ain't playing. I mean, hold up, who they playing with? We ain't stopping, we gon' show 'em who. Hold up, we ain't playing. If they get it in your face, man, tell her we ain't stopping. Hold up.